Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video you will able to learn about PEMDAS review. So stay connect with us till end. Basically it is an abbreviation, used in mathematics to evaluate or simplify the problems of various expressions. Full form of PEMDAS in order. P stands for parentheses type of bracket. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. We have a problem on PEMDAS to understand concept. 10 times 8 to 6 squared divided by 5 plus 8, 4. We'll follow the order of operations step by step. Step 1. Evaluate the terms inside the parentheses. 8 to 6 equals 2. We get 10, 2 squared divided by 5 plus 8 to 4. Step 2. Evaluate the exponent. 2 squared equals 4. We get 10 times 4 divided by 5 plus 8 to 4. Step 3. Multiply 10 by 4. 10, 4 equals 40. We get 40 divided by 5 plus 8 to 4. Step 4. Divide 40 by 5. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. So we get 8 plus 8 to 4. Step 5. Add 8 and 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Step 6. Subtract 4 from 16. 16 to 4 equals 12. The final answer is 12. Thanks for watching.